Hey garden dreamers, welcome. My husband's making me laugh. Um, it was cloudy. As you can see, it's not anymore. So I was like, oh yeah, let me record so the sun's not hitting my face. But the sun came out. But anyway, we're gonna sow some seeds. I have lavender, which I'm also growing indoors, but it's not doing too well. So I'm just gonna throw seeds down, see if that works. I'm gonna throw down some petunias. My front door neighbor gifted me some giant marigolds, so I'm gonna sow some of those. She also gave me 4 o'clocks, but they look like this. And Esther also gave me 4 o'clocks, and they look like this. They're little, you see them? They're little circles.
Like 230s.
Stupid. Oh man, you guys don't listen to my husband. He's not a gardener. Some alyssum that I might throw down. And my other friend Carrie from at Frog. My other friend Carrie at Frog Jardín also sent me a bunch of zinnias. So I'm gonna throw those down also. And my neighbor also gave me Cosmo, so I'm gonna just throw those down. Oh, and some sunflower seeds. I already planted some over here in this area, but I'm thinking maybe I'll plant some over here in my garden, cover that wall that I don't like. A lot of people like that wall, but I don't know. I don't care for it. Maybe because it's all over the city. I'm just used to it and don't really care for it much. Anyway, let's plant these marigolds. It's windy now. So it was looking like it was gonna rain. And I was like, yay, I'm gonna plant seeds so they could get watered. And literally the clouds went right over me, just around me. There's been like twice where it rains. These are marigold seeds, do you see? It has like a bunch, 30 to 50 per little marigold. This is the dried up flower. And these are the marigold seeds you get inside. So there are a ton. I don't need that many. And these I think were yellow. I planted some alyssum here today also. These little ones. See if they grow. And you just have to throw marigold seeds however. I tried growing them indoors one time and that didn't even work out. So it's just better if you throw them down, at least in my area. I'm in Paso, Texas, and these grow pretty easily. I sowed them one time in my garden and now they always come out because when the flower drops, it just kind of reseeds itself. Let me put some over here on this other end. Some of the zinnias over here. Okay. She gave me polar bear. I'm assuming those are white. California giant mix and peppermint sticks. I'm gonna just scatter those around. The cosmos, I usually just throw them and grow them. And these sunflowers are from the sunflowers I got from my garden last year. So I'm gonna put some against the wall here, see how they do. And I wanted to plant these now because there's already things growing around here. And I'm afraid I'm gonna step on them. My husband wants me to tell you guys he's gonna run an electrical line.
From where to where?
From there to... I'm gonna run it through here.
Yeah.
What? I thought you were gonna run it through the middle of the grass.
I'm gonna open up the grass.
You're not gonna open up my flower garden?
That's what I said before it starts growing.
Oh, absolutely not. That's not. Why would you go in a C pattern instead of a straight line? The power line's right there. Why wouldn't it just go straight? It's literally there where you need it.
So I'm just gonna dig in. You want me to dig a hole down there? For the grass?
Yes, I thought that's what the plan was.
Oh.
Don't breathe hard. You're the one that's trying to go through my garden. That's insane. It's like you're a crazy person. You're talking like a crazy person right now. What's wrong with you? Going through my flower garden. Ah! What? I almost died. I heard you laughing. Are you even recording me? How are people gonna know how to put the seeds? They're like, oh no, her cameraman didn't focus on how she planted the seeds. Yeah, all kinds of growth that I don't want, 'cause this plant is spreading.
Yeah, when you say caliche, I know, like, this is what you mean.
Yeah, I've showed them before what caliche is.
Come again.
Hey everybody, this is caliche.
And one person, this is their first video.
Oh, I have a lot of caliche in my dirt. I live in El Paso, Texas, y hay mucho caliche. I'm gonna plant these 4 o'clocks that look very different from each other, but I put them on water indoors. Let me go grab that. I put the 4 o'clocks in some water. Now I'm just gonna throw the cosmos and the zinnias just wherever. It's getting windy.
Cement, right?
It's getting windy. Oh, petunias, lavender, alyssum. I'm gonna throw all of these. Just the lavender seeds are super tiny. Those are the lavender seeds. So I am just gonna throw them down. Half of them got stuck on me. Okay. Again, I have some of these growing indoors, so I could plant them where I want them, but I'm just seeing if they'll grow randomly. The alyssum seeds are super tiny also. This is what alyssum looks like. And just gonna throw these down also. Some cosmos that my neighbor gave me. Just gonna throw those down. Kind of toward the back because they're pretty tall. I really hope it rains so that these can be watered. Petunias, just gonna throw down also randomly. They're teeny tiny. And I'm almost done. Let's throw down some zinnias. Oh, that's what I planted. About a year and a half or 2 years ago, I planted gladiolas. And they were growing. It was so nice. But only the green came out and no flowers. And a whole year and a half or two later, they're growing again. So I'm hoping they actually come out this year. See this tiny thing? And I think that's one of them right there. And there was more. Oh, look, here's another one. Right here. And that's it. I'm done. Just kidding. What is this? Oh, look, seeds growing right here. Oh, look, the wind took a seed and now it's growing there. All right, you guys, that's it. I'm done planting the seeds. The camera turned off before I could end the video over there. Anyway, come back in 2 months. Check out my garden. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like. If you're from El Paso, follow for sure, because y'all know how hard it is to garden here.
Because people want to know how to water.
Bro, they probably can't even hear you because the thing's right here and you're all the way over there. So all your jokes were missed. I'm just gonna have to like fill it in, tell them what you said, but make it even funnier, you know? Or make it funny.
You would know though. Yeah.
Hi, baby!
No, I'm not. Why? What do you want to say?
What? Can you have what? No, baby. We just ate pasta. Eat something else. Okay, you could stop, honey.
Okay, so keep going there. Wow, bro.
Is that waterproof? Let's find out. Man,
Hey,
that camera gets hot too, like the other one. Like, see, that camera gets hot too, like my iPhone.
Yeah, yeah. No, I felt
That's
it.
crazy, no? Like,
I think everything gets hot now.
but like,
Because it's computing, like they're not like old cameras where it didn't need a lot of power. They're all 4K and whatever, I'm sure.
I know, but I feel like after maybe like, 30, 40 minutes, not like 5 minutes and it's burning up. Be better, technology people. Be better.
Yeah.
I can't even turn on a control to the TV. Which button is it?
Once I tackle this tulip problem, I'll get into the high-tech world.
Yay, everything's getting green. So pretty. Hey, you, pájaro! I see you waiting to grab my damn seeds I just put down. The birds are like, ooh, she planted more, guys.
Got it.
Don't upset me. This is my zen time and you're upsetting me. Anybody else has a husband that upsets them while they're trying to zen out?